Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I don't feel like I'm completely dressed unless I have a pair of statement piece earrings on. And I feel like I have found such a beautiful pair from Me. The first thing that I love about these is that they are truly unique. Each pair is handmade when you place the order, and you can really see the devotion and the passion that the artist put into making them. I love that the materials are high quality. They are made with sterling silver and high quality copper. Even the ear wires are made with sterling silver. And I really like that because sometimes lower quality metals will irritate me and these don't at all. I love that the hand hammering that was done on these pieces makes it really light catching so that when you're in the sun or just around bright lights, they look really sparkly and they're just gorgeous. I really like dangly earrings and I like the size on the copper piece. You can see it's about the size of a penny. These are not heavy. That's something that I always worry about because I don't want my lobes to get stretched out. So I like that even though they are over 2 inches, I don't feel like I'm wearing anything but a feather. I especially like their motto, which is that these are handcrafted for inspiration. And I was inspired to wear them to the beach, on a date with my husband. I think that they can be dressed up or dressed down. I love on the back of the copper medallion, you can see the hand-stamped name of the company and their logo, and I think it's so pretty. These come in a beautiful box that would make a perfect gift for someone, and they're handmade in a studio in New Jersey with materials that are sourced in the United States. You will not be disappointed with these really special earrings. I just love them, and that's my point of view.